let's delve into the intelligent whiteboard function. This is your best partner for brainstorming sessions and discussions. The IdeaHub S2 delivers an ultra-low writing latency of just 16 milliseconds, providing a responsive and natural writing experience that feels like writing on paper. For even smoother writing, you can enable the Smart Pen feature under Settings. This can automatically recognize your handwriting and convert it into digital forms like this. Now let's draw a circle. This makes your whiteboard content look even more engaging. The whiteboard content can be erased easily and quickly using gestures, like a hand-waving motion. After engaging in discussions or writing on the whiteboard, you can easily save your content to your personal device by scanning a QR code through your browser. To enable this function, just tap Settings, Advanced, and enable QR Scan, and set the scan method to Browser. Then you can tap Share Here and click and tap Scan to transfer to scan the QR code. It's important to note that since the whiteboard content may display sensitive company information, this function requires both the IdeaHub and your mobile phone to be connected to the same network for security purposes. Alternatively, you can also send the whiteboard content to your personal email. To set up your email address, go to the Settings, Advanced, System, and Mail. You can set your email address as you like. Just enter your email and the password for Outlook. Or for QQ Mail or Gmail, you need to enter an authorization code. For details about how to get an authorization code, you can see the instruction here or contact the customer service of your email address box. Once an email address is set, let's return to the whiteboard and click Share Here and Email. Then you can send the whiteboard content to your preset email address. During meetings or discussions, you may need to make annotations on the PowerPoint content. You can enable Annotate by tap the grid icon here and tap Annotate. Alternatively, you can directly swipe from the edge of the screen to enter the annotation screen. You can also insert images or shapes directly into your materials, like this.